Hi, it's Angie, your office manager, and Dr. Dutch, one of your favorite docs here at Pierce Clinic, here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic this week. So, Dr. Dutch.
So, not this week, but next week, next Tuesday, July 25th at 6:30 p.m. Want to remind you we're having our Health Restoration Live class right here at Pierce Clinic. Great opportunity to come in, learn more about what we're doing here, ask questions of the doctor. You can register by giving us a call, 727-528-8700.
All right, Kay and Dana are waiting for your call to get you registered. Also, on Tuesday, July 18th, it is World Listening Day. So, Proverbs 12:15, it's where we are asking God to make us listen to wise advice. And who better to listen to and take good advice from but God himself. So, the big, that's right. So, less talking,
More listening.
more listening. So, husbands, just kidding, not just husbands. That's not nice. Okay, so.
Also, Friday, July 21st, take your monkey to lunch day. Okay, very important day this year. I will make sure to take Dr. Miller out to lunch. Looking forward to that. Also, our infused water this week
Yes.
is going to be
Pineapple orange. All right. Yes, we love pineapple orange. And Kay loves all those infused waters. Get in, get your cup, right?
Or K drinks all of it.
Exactly. Shout out. We love Kay. And so I guess that's going to be it for us this week. But we just want to know that we care very much about all of you. Making sure that you're holding your correction is extremely important to us. So call, get scheduled, make sure you're holding. It's imperative. And here at Pierce Clinic, just remember, it's about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. You all have a wonderful week.